In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipient in Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one personal or business profile. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu and click on Recipients. This is where Wise stores the people and accounts you can send money to later, so adding a recipient here can save time on future transfers. On the Recipients page, click Add a Recipient. Wise will then take you to a page where you'll select the currency for the recipient's account. Choose the currency carefully, because this should match the actual currency the recipient's bank account is set up to receive. After that, click Bank Details to continue. Next, you'll see the page asking who the recipient is. Here, select the option that best fits: myself, someone else, or business or charity. This helps Wise apply the right account format and require details for the type of recipient you're adding. Now enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. This is important because even small differences can sometimes cause delays or verification issues. After that, enter the recipient's bank account details in the fields provided. Depending on the country and currency you selected, Wise may ask for additional information. This could include details like a routing number, BSB, sort code, IBAN, or SWIFT, or BIC code. Fill in each field carefully and double-check the numbers before moving on, since banking information needs to be accurate for transfers to go through smoothly. Once everything is entered, review the recipient information. Take a moment here to make sure the name, account details, and any extra banking codes are all correct. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Wise will then show you a confirmation step where you can confirm the recipient details one more time. If everything looks right, click Save. This stores the recipient in your account, so you can use them for future payments without having to re-enter all the information again. After saving, return to the recipients page. You should now see the new recipient in your recipient list. This is a good final check to make sure the setup was completed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully added a recipient in Wise. Thanks for watching.